Hey guys, thank you for joining me for my open house tour of our house that we just built. I'm just so excited to show you guys, all of my family and friends and other viewers out there that are interested in the journey. I'm here with my son Justin, and we're going to give you a view of what we have here in our new house.
Hello.
My handsome son. So this is just like the first little hallway area here. And this door is to a bedroom. Very nice size bedroom. The closet is there. It's very nice carpet. I like how it feels. Very good quality. A lot of natural light. As you can see, it is raining outside. And this room has an additional window here, so you can kind of keep eye out on the front door, driveway, etc. So yeah, I really like the colors here that they have already. So I doubt I will be painting that much, although I will, get some accent walls created here in the house. Not too much paint is going to be going on. And this here is a hall closet. I'm not going to open that up because we have some storage stuff that I had to get out of the way for the empty house tour. We did spend the night here last night, so we brought a few things. And this here's the first bathroom. So, pretty nice. I like it. Like the colors, the cabinetry, the countertops, the flooring, all that good stuff. Yeah, so moving along. This here is another bedroom. And I really like the size of these bedrooms. The ceilings are tall and it's a very nice size compared to some of the other houses that I've looked at over the past several months. And here's a closet. This room is pretty much the same size as the first room that we just viewed. And I'm gonna head out here. And guys, this foyer is so dope. Like, it's very nice and long. I have a lot of stuff I can do here. Maybe add some wainscoting to the walls, some architecture to the ceilings, some new like foyer chandeliers, etc. Anyway, it's gonna be very nice. And heading over here, this is another linen closet. This one is empty, so I didn't care about showing this one to you. So very nice and spacious there. And here is our laundry room. Very nice size. Very nice Samsung appliances. Can't wait to use them. And just like a basic shelf here, which I know most videos people talk about, they focus a lot on what they're going to change about the house and everything. I'm pretty satisfied with this house the way that it is now. I mean, that's not to say I'm not going to make any upgrades. Of course, for example, I'm going to probably take that shelf out and add some cabinets at the top, maybe a wooden shelf, along here, and maybe this area here I'll add like some type of a wooden, like we'll design a folding table where we can iron and things like that. It's going to be really nice. This is where all of our technology is. Very convenient. Okay, and then I think we're going to go this way off to this area here. This is our AC closet, and here is our air purifier. It's called Rima Halo Airflow. So this allows for air purification 24 hours a day in the house. So that is really cool. I like that feature. This area right here might seem like nothing. I'm not gonna leave it as wasted space though. This is gonna be a drop zone. There's gonna be maybe a couple of cabinets here, hooks for hanging things, maybe a shelf for, charging your cell phones and dropping other things off, mail, whatever, you want to drop off. And then in the bottom, it'll probably be some space to just kind of like drop your shoes or boots or whatever off into. So kind of like a tiny mud room, if you will. This is the garage. Has the light that turns on automatically, but we have some additional lighting here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some more light here. And as you can see, it kind of looks like a typical two-car garage. However, it actually has this tandem area here where you can fit other vehicles, maybe a golf cart, a couple motorcycles, maybe even a small car. But it most likely is going to be like a workstation out of here, work area, some area here for my man's motorcycles. And this here I also wanted to mention is very nice water heater system here. It is so cool because what it does is this system is very sophisticated. It takes the hot air or warm air that might be in here. It kind of sucks it in, takes it and makes it cool and spits it back out in here. So it allows the garage to be kind of a cool temperature. I know most garages that I've had in the past tend to be kind of hot. There's the attic area there. In this garage system, which is automatic Wi-Fi enabled, very nice. As I was saying about the air conditioning in here, this here tells you how cool it is in here. 69 degrees for a garage is really decent. So you could use this to store things and keep things, you know, in very good condition in this type of temperature. All right, so moving along, let me turn off the light there and then close that up. And then this area here will most likely be like a office kind of space, maybe put an office desk and a slim bookcase, you know, so the kids can, you know, have their time to do their homework or just, you know, do what they do on their laptops. So this here is another bedroom. It's probably like a smaller master bedroom. This is one master bedroom, but the more smaller. And it has, of course, its closet. It has a bathroom. So I guess you can call it like a master or an ensuite. And so this is much like the other bathroom that we viewed. Probably around the same size. Sorry for the glare. If you're seeing a glare. Nice. So very nice room. And then here, I wanted to show this living area, which is composed of like 4 different spaces. You can't really see it now because the furniture's not here yet, but this area here is kind of like the conversation area room. In a couple of weeks, it's gonna have a kind of a partition, a wooden partition, like wooden slats where you can kind of see through, but it kind of separates it off a little bit from the other spaces. This will be the conversation area. You want to come and just chill, chit chat, have a drink. That's the space. And then as we come over here, this is the grand room. And I love the flooring. So beautiful. I really love it. Justin, can you hit the lights in the living room for me? And this will be the entertainment wall. Don't know what's going to be built here, but we're going to build something. It's definitely going to be a fireplace, nice television, nice sound system, things like that. I really love the fact that there's 3 huge windows here. It'll allow for us to bring in a lot of natural light. Right now, there's not so much natural light because it is raining outside, and so it's a bit cloudy. Not as much light as we would have liked to see. This room actually is it's off of the outdoor lanai, the covered lanai. So as you can see here, yep. So the next space, the dining area, which I really love as well. Not the chandelier so much. I mean, it's kind of low, and I know you can adjust that, but I'd probably rather have a different type of chandelier, something more modern, even though this is kind of cute, but I'll save it for later or for something else. So yeah, that is the dining room. And if you can hit the lights for me, Justin, please, in the kitchen. This is my deluxe kitchen. This is my beautiful kitchen. Oh my God, guys, look at the countertops. They're so beautiful. I like how they look with the tiles. I like the different combination of colors here. Very nice. These are the cabinets. They are so tall. Like we literally have to go out and buy a footstool because these cabinets are like really tall. Like who's gonna be able to just reach all the way up there into the back like that? None of us. Maybe my man, but I don't know. Maybe not. And I like the crown moldings that are included here. There's a lot of cabinet space here in this kitchen. The island is very nice, very upgraded and modern. And the dishwasher, very nice. All of the appliances here are quite modern, sophisticated. And I like that we have pull-out drawers. Awesome. A kitchen window, something I also always wanted. And I wanted to show you what's a good thing about mine. You can barely see it, but you know, we have a water view back here, so you can kind of see the water out of the kitchen window. So while I'm preparing my foods and stuff, you know, that'll be a nice view. So yeah, a lot of cabinet spaces. All of the appliances are Samsung, Wi-Fi enabled smart appliances. So I can't wait to use them. And more storage here, more storage, I love it. I'm probably gonna do something at the top to add like maybe some LED lights. Maybe I can control the colors, things like that. I think that'll be nice. And so, yeah, look, everything is very modern, very sophisticated. Look at the backsplash, guys. That backsplash is beautiful. It's a premium upgraded backsplash. And I love my flat top stove. This is my first time having one. I usually have a full stove, and I guess I'm in the more of the modern era now. So, and my deluxe kitchen included the built-in oven. I like the pull-out drawer down here at the bottom. And I can put pots and things like that. So this is wonderful. Really, really love this kitchen. And one of the best features of this kitchen is, guys, look at this. Look at this pantry. Take a look at the sheer amount of space I have in here. I'm still going. Look, I'm around the corner now. This is huge. And while this is very sufficient for me, I really like it. I definitely will be upgrading these shelves to probably some drawer cabinets above, maybe some wooden shelving, a countertop, maybe even a little bit of backsplash in this area. Add some electricity and add like a small refrigerator here, a space where I can have the coffee pot, maybe a couple of other appliances. So basically this will be like a butler's pantry. It'll be a butler's pantry, but that pantry is so awesome. I really, really love it. Like, I just love my kitchen, period. Like, this is a beautiful kitchen. I can't wait to get started preparing meals here and stuff like that, because you know I am. Cakes or whatever. I can do it all. So I'm gonna go across here to my suite, the larger master bedroom, which is a very, very good size. I'm very, very pleased with it. And I like that my builder, they included these lights. I know a lot of times people have like the I guess the hookup for the lights, but they actually included lights in every single room. So of course I'll be upgrading that to a nice chandelier, crown molding and things like that. So it looked good like it is now, but yeah, I'm definitely gonna update it. I love, love, love this large window and the lighting that it will help to bring into the room. Yeah. And this here, as I move along, is my entryway into the ensuite. This is my, let me turn on the light. This is my closet. I love the size of my closet. I also can't wait to add some more shelving, probably add a whole closet system here. I'll definitely need it. Maybe a bench and stuff like that. So this is my little sanctuary. And if you turn around here, you'll see a closet here, which is probably meant to be like a storage closet for linens and things like that, but it is so big to be a linen closet. We're just gonna take this closet, redesign it, put a little closet system in here, and this is gonna be my man's closet. So yeah, really, really like that. And keep that door closed and show you here is the water closet. So I got a separate toilet area, which is always very nice. And then in this restroom, I know there was an option to have the tub and also have the shower, but I chose to have the large shower in lieu of the tub and smaller shower. The tub would have been here. This water closet wouldn't have been here, and it would have been on this side, but I wouldn't have had that closet right there. And then it would have been a smaller shower over here, and of course the double vanity. But I really, really like my large shower very, very much. And we have the upgraded tile, subway tile, all the way to the ceiling, from floor to ceiling. So that is super nice. And we'll, of course, be adding more shower heads in here, one on that side, one above. We'll probably add some seating here. So this is pretty nice. And I think we got 4 or 5 people in here. So yeah, this is my double vanity sink area, a lot of storage space for me to put my stuff, my toiletries and all that good stuff. And I really like the view. I have a good view here. Brings in a lot of natural light into the bathroom. I really, really love how large the windows are here. So this is the conclusion of my empty house tour. I am so, so very grateful. And guys, I wish we could go outside on the lanai, and outside I would take you around the entire premises. However, it's just that it's raining outside. It's very wet. You probably can't see the rain from here, but it's raining out here, and yeah, I wouldn't want to go out there. Right now, I have on my socks because I'm in my new house, so you know I'm not going to be walking around with shoes on. So I'm just going to stay comfortable. And I'm going to end the video of my beautiful new house tour. And I will have more content later when we start to add furniture, do upgrades and things like that. So if you don't follow my YouTube channel, Journey to the Greener Side, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you hit the notification bell so that you're notified anytime I post new content. So with that being said, I thank you guys so much for joining me. Until next time, be blessed.